Good afternoon, Rakshitha. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department CMTI. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Congratulations on your completion of your. So, can you just introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Rakshitha. I'm from Chittoor district. I done my course in IDM and BIM in CM.
So, which course you joined here?
IDM and BIM.
Okay. How did you come to know about CMTI?
I was searching in Google, sir, about the best institutes in the Bangalore. Then I got to know about the CMTI, and then I contacted them, and they said about the CMTI and the courses they are offering. Then I was interested in IDM and BIM. Then I took IDM and BIM.
Okay. So, what have you learned during your internship here at CMTI?
Yeah, in interior designing, I learned many things about interior designing and the furniture, cut list, and everything. And the software I learned in interior designing is SketchUp. It was very useful in my practical life also. In BIM also, I have learned many things. In BIM, the software I use
which are the softwares you learned here?
SketchUp, Revit, and AutoCAD.
Okay. And what about the site visit?
No, sir, I'm online student, so I did not go for
You're
any
online
site.
student.
Yeah.
Okay, not visited in South.
Yeah.
And how was the support from the trainers during your internship?
It was very good, sir. The trainers, they helped me a lot. Whenever I got doubts, they helped me with the doubts, and they answered for every doubt I got. And the trainers were too good with the explanation also, sir. I understood very well about the software and the theory part, everything.
Okay. And what else actually like? What are the things you learned here at CMTA which you have not learned at college?
Mainly about software, sir. I have not learned about SketchUp and Revit in the college. AutoCAD, it was in our course in college, but Revit and SketchUp I did not learn anything. But I was very much interested in SketchUp. I learned SketchUp and Revit.
Okay. And fine. Actually, like, what you would like to say to your juniors and the students who would like to join CMTI, and what about your friends? Would you like to refer?
Yes, I think I'll highly refer to CMTI because the trainers are too good in explanation, and if we get any doubt also, they'll explain in clear way. I'll tell my juniors to join in CMTI and to learn many courses, whatever there is.
Okay. Congratulations again for your completion of your course here at CMTI. Wishing you
Thank
good
you.
for your future.
Yeah, thank you.